You go first.
Nice. Your turn. Oh my God,
Preparing.
weak. Oh my God. That's a winner. This thing doesn't zoom in and out anymore?
Baby,
It's not.
don't feel embarrassed. I'm your wife.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Woo.
Come on, then. Let's do it together.
I lost it.
You guys have to give me some kind of lead time on who's gonna.
Coke.
Trying to get commercial.
It is talk now.
She could probably do the ABCs because it goes so long.
Yeah, right.
Okay, I gotta say Danielle. Count.
No.
Oh my God, you're got the biggest burp stored up right now.
Like it's second and all of a sudden you're just talking and all of a sudden like it flies out. Oh.
Oh. Talk now.
Okay.
Stop.
Should put this on YouTube.
Yeah, you should.
Esse mesmo. Would be nice.
Uh-oh.
Daniel, Frank, and
Uh-oh.
Paula.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
You done?
No,
Are we done?
No.
Oh, she's not done yet. Okay.
You guys need a trio. Is what you need is a trio for your grand finale where
Okay.
everybody stands up,
I'm ready.
but you have to be close together. Everybody get their burp together. Danny, come over here so I can get you in a picture.
Okay.
I need a simultaneous trio. On three. 1, 2, 3, burp. So weak.
Wait. Come out.
Push
The
it.
pressure's on. Oh.
Finish it off, Frankie. I think we're done.